if you have a fourth grader and they're about a month or so into the school year at this point, they are working with factors and multiples using the concept of multiplication and area. Okay, so if you go in your bathroom floor, if you have a tiled floor, the square foot tiles, 3 rows by 4 columns, within that area, there will be 12 tiles. So the area of that piece, that area 3 by 4, would be 12 square feet or 12 square units, whatever the dimensions of your tiles are. That is the concept of multiplication, area. And then what they're doing with that is they want this idea of factors and multiples. So multiples is knowing your multiplication tables, counting by 2s, counting by 4s. Factors are the numbers that make up that respective number. Let me say that better. So if I have 24, the factors are 1 and 24, because 1 times 24 is 24, 2 and 12, 2 times 12. Okay. Then we have 3 times 8, 4 times 6. Okay. Those are the factors of 24. Those are the numbers that divide evenly into 24. If you notice, all of that revolves around multiplication, of which they were introduced to in 2nd grade. This multiplication piece, I would recommend at this point in time, what is this, 4th grade? 4th grade, you should make sure that your child know all of their multiplication tables up to 12. They should understand the concept of multiplying. And if they do not, parents, work with them so that your child does not fall further behind. The teacher may have 20, 30 plus students in a classroom. If half of them are multiple months or multiple grades behind, it is more difficult for that teacher to do what's needed. So we need your help to make sure that your child is excelling, progressing, and staying on the track that is set for them in this educational system so that they're prepared when they come out and go to college. Now, if they know these things, always push your child. If they're easily going through doing their multiplication, they know all of their multiplication tables, introduce them to exponents. What's 2 to the 2nd power? 3 to the 2nd power? What's 4 to the 3rd power? Always push your child if they're getting it. And A means that it is too easy, especially if they're getting it easily. Now, if they're working really hard, then okay. But if they're easily going through getting A's, your child needs to be pushed or they're going to get bored and distracted. So make sure that you're staying on top of what your child is doing.